Hi everyone, I'm Neelam. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So it's a Nykaa haul and I tried so many new products, new foundation, concealer, blush. Watching me first time, hi, I'm Neelam. Please click red subscribe button. You can follow me on Instagram. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So first is Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. So many good reviews about this concealer. So my shade is light beige and this comes with this huge pump. So in summers, don't go with foundation, just go with a good concealer. And yeah, I'm a fan of Too Faced is foundation. This one is Color Bar 24-hour weightless liquid foundation. So Malvika Satlani recommend this in her top 5 drugstore foundation, and my shade is FW2. Yes, FW 2.1 and ये आपको एक पंप के साथ मिलता है. So I want to try a new foundation. Soon I will create a makeup look with this foundation, and yes, it costs 999. Mostly आपको foundation में 35 और 30 ml quantity मिलती है, but you get 25 ml quantity in this. So next product from K Beauty. First is K Beauty matte blush enriched with avocado and mango butter. So finally I have new blush. So this one in the shade Mild Berry and it's so beautiful. It's a movie color. So next is K Beauty's HD Setting Loose Powder in the shade Almond. So I start using this product and it sets makeup so beautifully. So one thing I love about this product, so mostly loose powder comes with its typical cap, but this K Beauty comes with this कैप एंड इससे आपका जो लूज पाउडर है वो बिल्कुल भी गिरता नहीं है. सो इट्स रियली इजी टू कैरी योर लूज पाउडर. सो आई रियली रिकमेंड दिस प्रोडक्ट टू ऑल लूज पाउडर लवर्स. सो नेक्स्ट इज फॉर नेल पेंट. सो फर्स्ट वन इज Nykaa breathable nail paint in the shade 330. So I will also share my nail art. Next 3 matte nail paint. So first is this Page in the shade 154. Next is this Lavender in the shade 19, and last this green one 19, and this is the shade matte. So this one is like 16. Yes, so I love to do nail art. You can check out my nail art on my Instagram handle. So next is this Becca shimmering highlighter in the shade Moonstone. It's so beautiful. Look at the shade, it's so beautiful and it goes with any makeup look. It's so beautiful, and yeah, now I love to buy mini size product. It costs 1500 and full size costs 3300. So some eye products. So this first one is Bella Woodsey liquid dip eyeliner. So it's a white eyeliner in the shade Soft Snow, and I create this makeup look with this eyeliner, and according to price it's so good, and it's a matte liner. Mascara. So this yellow one is super size. So if you want long lashes, you can try this one and try this pink one. So this one is Nykaa Curl Power Mascara. So I tried 7 new lipstick. So first is this Malvika Satlani Smashbox into Malvika Satlani Always On mini lipstick. 2 mini lipsticks मिलती हैं. So it's a pink color. So next is this Dior lip balm. So this one is Dior Addict Lip Glow in the shade 101 pink. And so Dior is available on Nykaa, And yeah, I love this. It's so beautiful. Look at the packaging. Too Faced lip injection, or you can say lip maximizer. So I tried this product and I'm not happy with this product. It's not long lasting. After 1 hour it's gone, और आपने कुछ खा लिया है तो ये बिल्कुल गायब हो जाएगा. So I'm not happy with this product. And it cost I think more than 1,000 rupees. Next is this Lakme Forever liquid lip color in the shade nude hue. 27 names से suggest हो रहा है. It's a nude color. So 3 Nykaa mini lipstick. So first is Guati. So it's a red color with a hint of orange. So next is Madras Kapi, and it's one of my favorite lipstick. I restocked this product. It's a nude color. Okay, मेरा हाथ बिल्कुल full हो गया. It's a nude color. I will create a eye makeup look with this color. It's not for lips. It's metallic. Yeah. Next is Nykaa Love Struck perfume. So मेरा nose block है. I can't smell it. Yes. But look at the packaging. It's so beautiful. I'm a fan of this packaging, and it's quite heavy. You can't carry this in your bag. Next is 3 products from Mamaearth. First is this Hydra Gel Indian Sunscreen, and you get 50 ml in this. And ये पूरा का जो पूरा पैकेजिंग आप देख रहे हो, ये बस इतना सा फिल है और ये बिल्कुल खाली है. एंड आई डोंट लाइक दिस पैकेजिंग बिकॉज ये पूरा खाली है. अगर आपको प्लास्टिक बचाना है तो आप पूरा बचा लो ना. मतलब इतना भी आप क्यों एक्स्ट्रा वेस्ट कर रहे हो, क्योंकि इसमें जो प्रोडक्ट का अमाउंट है वो तो बस इतना सही है. सो आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड टू एनी वन कि जिसमें बस इतना सा फिल और ये पूरा का पूरा खाली है. विटामिन सी फेस मास्क. So I'm using Mamaearth Vitamin C serum. So I wanted to try this mask, and इसमें आपको 100 ml quantity मिलती है. Yeah, and it's I can't smell it right now. Which is Mamaearth anti-pollution face cream. यूज किया है. Really like this product, and it's a nice moisturizer. Skincare. This Charmis Vitamin C face serum with hyaluronic acid. Yeah, I really like this product, and yeah, it's worked so good, and it cost only 210 rupees. So I hope you like this video, and please comment which product is your favorite or you want to try. So bye bye, see you in the next video.